everyone. Today we are going to discuss assessment tools in education. I am N. Binesh Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Teacher Education, SK Women College, Manipur. So the main learning objectives of the study are define assessment, meaning of assessment tools, types of assessment tools. So first we need to know what is assessment. Assessment is nothing, it is a systematic procedure of collecting relevant information to make an inference or conclusion about the performance of the students. So what are the assessment tools? Assessment tools are the techniques or devices for the collection of data. Then we need to know what are the types of assessment tools. The assessment tools can be divided into the following types. First one is traditional assessment tools. In this type of assessment tool is widely used and easy to administer. For example, multiple choice type, true or false test, very short answer and essay type questions. Then second one is performance based assessment tools. The performance based assessment tools are used to assess the students progress and they are all over the assessment either by the portfolios, projects, case studies, or it may be demonstrations and presentations. Here in portfolios, it is the collection of student work showing progress over time. Then in projects, it is a hands-on and real world tasks to assess creativity and applications. Then in case studies, it is used to evaluate problem solving and analytical skills. Then students can also be assessed by the true verbal communication and mastery of a subject. Then third one is observational assessment tools. Uh, in observational assessment tools, it may be checklists, rating scales, rubrics, then anecdotal reports. Here in checklist, it is used for tracking task completion and skills demonstration. Then in rating scales, measures performance based on predefined criteria. Then third one is rubrics. In rubrics, detailed scoring guide defining different levels of performance is recorded. Then anecdotal records. Here the teacher notes on students' behavior and participation. Then fourth one is diagnostic assessment tools. It may be pre-test, then self-assessment surveys, then interviews and oral questioning. Pre-test may identify prior knowledge before instruction, then in self-assessment surveys help learners reflect on their own skills, then interviews and oral questioning assess prior knowledge through discussion. Then next one is formative assessment tools. That means it can also be said as a ongoing feedback. It is generally used to assess during the course of action. It may be quizzes, polls, then peers and self-assessment, then exit tickets. Then next one is summative assessment tools. It is used as a final evaluation after the completion of the course. The summative assessment test, it may be known as a standardized type of test or it may be a final exams. Okay, then it may be a capstone projects. So standardized test is a compare performance across the all groups which have the similar level of class or standard. Then in final exam it measures cumulative knowledge. Then in capstone projects it is also use a comprehensive application of learning. Then nowadays it is assessment is going through digital and online assessment tools. It may be Google Forms and Microsoft Forms conduct various types of the online quizzes and surveys. Then Kahoot and quizzes, it is a gamified quizzes for engagement. Then Turnitin and Grammarly, it is also used to evaluate writing for originality and grammar. Then nowadays it is also used assess through Moodle or Slido techniques, etc. So this is all